Welcome back to TechMirror, your trusted source for the latest in tech and gear. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best gas grills of 2025. From smart features to powerful burners, we've got the ultimate picks to upgrade your backyard BBQ game. Whether you're a weekend griller or a seasoned pro, don't miss this. Let's fire it up and dive right in. Number 5. The Blackstone 28-inch griddle is a backyard chef's dream, combining power, space, and convenience for versatile outdoor cooking. With two H-style burners delivering 34,000 BTUs, it heats evenly up to 500 degrees Celsius across its flat top, perfect for everything from morning pancakes to juicy burgers. The generous cooking area fits up to 44 hot dogs, 18 burgers, or 12 steaks, making it ideal for parties or family gatherings. Its steel construction and powder-coated finish provide durability against the elements. Practical features like a removable drip tray, side shelf, and front shelf with 4 hooks and a magnetic strip make organizing your tools and cleanup effortless. The built-in igniter and adjustable heat controls ensure easy startup and precise cooking. Mobility is a breeze thanks to the wheeled design, and the included cover protects it when not in use. This Wayfair exclusive model, 21 and 18, also comes with propane tank fasteners and a fuel hose for secure setup. User feedback is overwhelmingly positive. One review says, "This is an awesome grill. Came with everything I needed to start cooking. Having fun, love it." Whether you're grilling at home or on the go, the Blackstone 28-inch griddle is a reliable, high-performance pick for outdoor culinary adventures. Number 4. The Monument Grill's 17842 is a powerhouse propane gas grill, built to turn your backyard into a BBQ haven. Designed with 4 main stainless steel burners and an additional side burner, it pumps out an impressive 60,000 BTUs of heat. With 700 square inches of total cooking area, including a 510 square inches primary grill and 190 square inches warming rack, it easily handles large family meals or neighborhood cookouts. What sets this grill apart is the included electric rotisserie kit, perfect for roasting meats to perfection. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure even cooking, while the LED control knobs add style and nighttime visibility. Electronic ignition makes lighting fast and hassle-free. Tool hooks on the side shelf offer added convenience, and the stainless steel construction, removable grease tray, and sturdy caster wheels make it durable and easy to maintain. Though the cover is sold separately, a thermometer and fuel hose are included. User reviews echo its quality. One says, "Wonderful grill, perfect for my hubby for Father's Day," while another praises its performance, noting, "Makes great burgers on the first try." With its sleek design, useful features, and 8-year limited warranty, the Monument 17842 is a smart buy for serious grillers. Number 3. The Kenmore 3-burner propane gas grill is a compact yet powerful outdoor cooking solution, perfect for patios, decks, and smaller spaces. With a total of 30,000 BTUs and 512 square inches of cooking space, including a 381 square in primary grilling area and 131 square inches warming rack, this grill delivers both performance and flexibility. It features 3 10,000 BTU burners with electronic ignition for quick, reliable starts. The porcelain-coated matte finish cast iron grates provide even heat retention without the hassle of traditional cast iron upkeep. The foldable side shelves are perfect for prepping and then tucking away for compact storage. Its enclosed base keeps the propane tank hidden, maintaining a clean, sleek appearance. Additional conveniences include a built-in thermometer, tool holder, and 4 caster wheels, 2 lockable for mobility and stability. The quality powder-coated steel construction resists rust and damage, and the grill is backed by a 1-year parts warranty, 5 years for burners. User reviews speak highly. "It looks great with all my patio furniture and works beautifully, and temperature runs true. Lots of room for burgers or steaks." Whether you're grilling for a couple or a crowd, the Kenmore 3-burner gas grill is a dependable and stylish choice for summer BBQs. Number 2. The Weber Genesis E335 redefines outdoor cooking with a design that brings the full kitchen experience to your backyard. With compatibility for the Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection, this grill opens the door to culinary creativity, whether you're baking pizzas, stir-frying vegetables, or searing restaurant-quality steaks. Its standout feature is the extra-large sear zone, designed for intense, even heat that lets you cook multiple steaks at once. Pure blue burners with a tapered design ensure a consistent flame, while raised flame openings help reduce debris buildup and corrosion. The second-level expandable cooking grate offers additional space, perfect for feeding a crowd without sacrificing grill real estate. Convenience is built in with an extra-large side table and a side burner, ideal for preparing sauces or sautéing sides. The included thermometer and fuel hose make setup easy, though a grill cover is sold separately. Crafted with quality and innovation in mind, the Genesis E335 isn't just a grill, it's an outdoor kitchen platform. User reviews say it all. Perfect, use it all the time, and great product. Echo its performance and reliability. Whether you're an everyday griller or weekend host, the Weber Genesis E335 is a premium choice that elevates every meal with power, versatility, and precision. Number 1. The Weber Genesis X335 Smart Gas Grill is a high-tech, high-performance grilling solution that brings smart cooking to your backyard. Built for versatility, it supports the full Weber-crafted outdoor kitchen collection, allowing you to roast, bake, steam, or stir-fry by swapping out the cooking grate with custom-fit grillware sold separately. From gourmet meals to family dinners, this grill turns outdoor cooking into a culinary adventure. Its standout feature is the Weber Connect Smart technology, which sends real-time food temperature alerts directly to your phone, taking the guesswork out of grilling and ensuring perfect results every time. The extra-large sear zone allows you to cook multiple steaks at once with restaurant-quality heat and precision. A second-level grate provides extra cooking space, while the oversized side table offers plenty of prep room. Designed with durability and function in mind, the EX335 includes a thermometer and fuel hose for easy setup, though the cover is sold separately. User feedback is glowing. One note, very well made. Everything went together as designed, while another says, "This is my husband's new favorite thing. He's been cooking for the entire family." If you're looking for smart features, power, and flexibility, the Weber Genesis X335 delivers on every front.